When winter arrived, all the ants hid underground to stay warm. But one tiny ant kept carrying seeds outside. The others laughed. "Why work now? Winter is for resting." The ant said nothing and kept building a small storage tunnel near the frozen field. Days later, a sudden snowstorm blocked the main nest entrance. The ants were trapped without food. Then the tiny ant opened her secret tunnel and brought in enough seeds for everyone. The colony survived. The ants finally learned, the best time to prepare is when others pause. Moral: discipline works when motivation sleeps.